Hi, I'm Marcelo. In this quick video, I'll show you how to install the Intelexta Alpha as a ChatGPT app and verify your first cryptographic receipt. First, go to Intelexta.com. Follow the step-by-step guide. The key detail is to copy the MCP server URL shown in Step 2. Now open ChatGPT, go to Settings, Apps and Connectors. Scroll down to Advanced Settings and turn on Developer Mode. Go back to Connectors and click Create. Optionally add a logo, set name. Intelexta Verifiable Summarizer, set description, generates text summaries with a verifiable cryptographic receipt card to prove the AI's work. Paste the MCP server URL you copied, choose No Authentication, confirm I understand, and click Create. Open a new chat, click More, select Intelexta Verifiable Summarizer, and add the tool. Prompt it, for example, I had a conversation on my new draft on quantum computing. Generate a verifiable summary of your key insights from this conversation. ChatGPT will connect to Intelexta and ask for permission. Approve the request. You'll get a readable summary and a downloadable car bundle. Visit verify.intelexta.com, upload the car and click Verify. You'll see a pass or fail result instantly. Now you have a verifiable artifact you can cite. For example, upload the car to Zenodo to obtain a DOI so others can both cite and verify. The Intelexta desktop app adds more local first features. If you'd like a full demo, get in touch. Thanks for watching.